Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen Morgan, and in today's video I'm bringing you guys a headband wig from CurlyMe hair. In the box I received several goodies, which include 5 silky headbands with different designs and patterns to go with several different outfits. I also received eyelashes, a pack of 2 wig caps, and a pamphlet that has instructions on how to care for the wig. So the wig that I got is in the Kinky curly texture. It's 100% Brazilian human hair, it's 20 inches, and it's 180% density. So right out of the box, I noticed that this hair was really soft and silky, but keep in mind that this is virgin hair and not raw hair, so you can tell that the hair was originally straight and they processed it to be curly, but I do think that this hair mimics curly texture pretty well. In the cap construction, you'll receive 4 combs, one towards the center of the cap and one on each side, and one in the back. However, there are no adjustable straps in this wig. The only strap there is the headband part. When I initially put this wig on, I noticed 2 things. One, that this wig may not be big head friendly because it was snug on my head. So make sure that before you put the wig on that your hair is flat to your head so that it fits comfortably. Also, I noticed that the combs in this wig interfere with the wig cap, so it may be easier to either not wear a wig cap at all or just to slide the wig cap back far enough so that the combs fit in without any trouble. Before attaching the Velcro together on the headband, make sure to put the hair up and out of the way, because if it gets caught, that could cause unnecessary shedding that we do not want. style this wig, all I used was some water and mousse I got from Walmart to brush apart the curls and make the wig look more natural. I started to apply the mousse, I went in pretty heavy-handed with it because I wanted to make sure that once the wig completely dried, that the curls were still really defined and that the frizz was minimal so that I could have that wet look. Top off the look, I decided to go in with the cheetah headband that came with the wig because it's my favorite. And throughout the styling process and detangling, I noticed that I didn't get a lot of shedding with this wig at all. I'll end up showing you guys how much shedding and all I got in the brush, but in my opinion it wasn't a lot for a curly unit, so I was really pleasantly surprised. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed and you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below what you want to see next, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new videos like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.